Hello, my country people. How na day? This is Maureen Gist TV. I greet una according to una time. My people know more facts they seem they come out. More people they air their opinion concerning this Oni of Ife and in Queen. When he come for social media, come say he don't divorce in husband, he not do again. So a lot of newspaper, a lot of bloggers, journalists, and the rest, they are bringing out their own opinion. One of the things where some of them they talk, they say Naomi actually disgraced in husband. Yes, they say him disgraced the Ooni of Ife, say because in those days, as a king get the final say. You don't talk to king anyhow. You don't shame king. In fact, I go when I read this whole thing finish, when I don't read and finish, then we go come touch light and bet. I want to let una know say people say this modernization of nowadays women, those slave queen, say e dey make the integrity of the royals to be that is no e no get value again. Come be like say king no be king again. So make I read wetin dem talk. Dem say Queen Naomi has shown that the triumph of modernization is shaking the integrity of the royals too. This was not the type of story we were told while growing up. In these beautiful days of Iyore, this was not supposed to happen. Yes, wetin dem dey talk say this thing wey be say Naomi go for social media go disgrace im husband. Say some people just believe say na disgrace im disgrace the Onu. Say in those days, say this kind thing no fit happen. Say if e happen, dem go banish the queen. Dem go banish the queen comot for palace. Say if this kind thing happen in those days, say because na big slap and big shame to the person of the Kabiyesi. No be me talk am o, make I dey read wetin people talk. But this is now happening. The triumph of modernization is already shaking the integrity of royals too. To forget that royal virtue is being ridiculed by the activities of present-day queen and consorts. The Punch reported that the foremost king of the whole Yoruba race was away from home participating in a 3 day music program tagged Memorable Moments with Music at the Museum Center, Lagos State, and had instructed his aides to package a new car as a Christmas gift for his estranged queen, Prophetess Naomi, only to learn about her divorce message on social media. Meanwhile, as much as the whole nation was surprised to hear about the news, it was probably more of a rude shock to the king himself to learn about his wife divorcing him on social media while he was away at a function. This would have been nothing short of ridicule to an ordinary man, let alone the symbol of leadership to an entire race, especially when he was still preparing a special gift for such a wife. Away from that, as much as people may want to fault the action of the evangelist, the royal household should also be blamed for not doing enough to train the ex-queen on the decadency of palace. A queen is not supposed to be heavy on social media. She is supposed to see to the welfare of the king and not act theatrical and dramatic while disgracing the monarch in the process. Now dey hear am. Say as queen, she not supposed to be very heavy in the social media. She's supposed to occupy herself with activities for inside the palace, to dey train other to dey take care of her husband and to dey attend to things in the palace, not to be very very heavy on social media. Say na be the small disgrace, na a disgrace im husband. Make I just dey read. Me, I go hear my own opinion about this whole thing, and I go read the comments wetin people feel about this whole write up. Lastly, a report has it that the elders of the Yoruba race have been relentless in making sure that the queen returns to the palace, which will, of course, be good news for all well-wishers. But this should also be the best time to retrain the prophetess about the etiquette of the palace. That she is given the freedom of social interaction does not mean she should forget her duty as the royal mother of millions of people and throwing decorum into wind. Now dey hear am so wetin dis person dey write, wetin dis person dey try to talk be say, for the fact say dem give Olori Naomi opportunity say make im dey for social media no mean say no suppose to follow things accordingly. Dem say at least even if e get grievances, e no suppose to, Ooni of Ife no suppose to know say im wife dey divorce am for social media, say na big time disgrace na e disgrace im husband. So I go read some of the comment for comment section before I go really start to dey torchlight this whole thing. Somebody say nonsense, this is stupid, so she need to endure and die in the marriage for a woman to pack of a wealthy man house. There must be something fishy in the home. Na wetin dis person talk. E say Naomi no go die where e be say im dey endure, go dey for marriage dey super say because say im marry wealthy man, things say no way. So dis person say endure what please? Someone that has senior brother mess up with opportunity given to him to handle a project value at 1.2 billion naira. This one another one again wey be say I hear say Naomi, all this thing wey be say una see wey be say e happen for palace, when e be say Naomi come social media come dey write say no marry again, e boils down to Olori Naomi family people wey be say dem dey palace, and Ooni of Ife give im brother project to handle. The guy no fit handle the thing. All those things dey vex Ooni. Their own na just to dey for palace, dey lousy about, dey poke nose, dey chook mouth for wetin no concern dem. So na this person dey reply say wetin e mean by say Olori Naomi dey endure what? After im junior brother no fit handle project worth 1.2 billion naira. Una dey hear am. So somebody say in this civilized age you could not express yourself without being abusive. You are forgiven. Okay, na the person wey be say e insult this person wey dey comment, na im dey answer am back. So another person say she and her son should be banished from the Yoruba land. Nonsense. Na wow. Everybody with im own opinion. King himself has problem. Na wetin somebody talk. Another person say what do you mean by the king has problem? So somebody say thanks for this post. Many of these beautiful queens want to become celebrities after getting so much money from their spouse. Another person say this is reality ma. Another person say the king has a hand in this insult. Okay, he has gone to pick another slave queen. Is there no decent way of getting a wife for a world-renowned king like the Ooni? Another person say that was a rumor. The king debunked it on BBC, but it's no longer a rumor. King don marry another wife. He don marry another wife. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Now the truth be that she knows Oba will marry other wives. Now wetin somebody tell, so say Naomi no say king go marry other wives. So somebody say she isn't suffering in the marriage. She has money, freedom. All her family members have moved to the palace, leaving behind the whole house the Kabiyesi bought for her mother in Ijakpa, Akure. She has about 8 solid cars to herself and many other things for her comfort. Another person say you are right about your ascension. I still wonder why she threw caution to the wind and divorced Kabiyesi on BS. Why she threw caution on the wind to divorce Kabiyesi on mere social media. I believe Kabiyesi over pamper her and her family members. She should be tutored on how Kabiyesi wife should behave. Endurance is the key. Other Oloris have endured, especially the late Oni's wife. They are they are graduates, and the palace the palace secrets were kept in the confine of the palace. She isn't suffering in the marriage. She has money, freedom. All her family members have moved to the palace, leaving behind a whole house. So now wetin this person dey talk? So this person say the problem is that the young woman of this present generation hardly endure marital challenges. They don't believe that the marriage is perseverance with lots of prayers. Husbands should have that belief that marriage is not about slavery. Most African husband has forced their wife into marital slavery. They never prepare for before marriage. In marriage, the couple should have mutual respect for each other. The husband should not be a dictator or most superior, because this is one of the greatest challenges in the present generational marriage. Our God, who is the author of marriage, also have respect for wives. That was why he told Abraham to honor the wish of his wife Sarah when she felt humiliated by Hagar by sending her away. Now they say so. This person say, personally, love. Okay, somebody say, I personally love the two of them, and I pray to God Almighty to restore their union, and also pray that the siege over their marriage will be seized. Then another person say, in my own opinion, something is fishing like, it's like they don't want this our royal father to have a relationship. God will fight for him. Another person say, the queen behaved terribly bad, not only to our reverend king, but to the entire Yoruba race. How on earth can she go on social media to announce divorce? Torí kíni? Would she be the first to undergo challenges in marriage, and would she be the last? Her objective is to get public sympathy. Okay, her objective is to get public sympathy because Oni married a new wife. Is that a new thing in the palace? It is better Kabiyesi allow her to go and forget about her. It would be a mistake if she allow her back to the palace. That's what somebody talk. Another person say yes. So honestly, say make her only allow Olori Naomi make it go. Say the two dey pamper am. Say na the too much pampering na cause this whole thing. Say if no be say Oni of Ife dey pamper here and im family because of say im don born pikin for Oni of Ife, so Oni of Ife get this special soft spot for her. Dey pamper her, so she don dey take the pampering for granted. We are already making a mockery of our well-respected traditional stew, since kings are now free to get married to whoever they want to without going through the well-established norms. The modernization will soon take away the pride of our culture. Now, wow. No, you don't understand the Yoruba culture, where marriage is concerned. It's greatly different from Igbos. Wetin this person reply this person say, I believe the saying that wealth, fame and glitz may not give you all you need. If she is not happy in the union, I believe she should move on. Some say she should endure what, Papa? I also think the traditional institution make efforts to modernity, otherwise they will become irrelevant. Yes, whether they like it or not, modernization don already dey. Na the truth be that. And we no go because of say na the way be say our forefathers dem dey do things, we will continue to dey do things like that because of modernization. In those days na black and white television na people dey use. Now black and white television no dey again, na color TV. Even the color TV, like me now, for the past 1 month, I no tell una lie, I never even on my television for my room. The one when e dey parlour na my internet now connect to it. Nobody dey lis ten to all this radio, all this TV station again. Nobody dey lis ten to TV station again. Internet don dey, everything wey we need to watch e dey for online. So things are changing. You know, if you tell me say the kind of food wey we dey eat in those days, now we still dey eat now. Modernization don, when I dey grow up, I no know wetin dem dey call indomie. There's no indomie. So things are getting changed, things are changing. So it's left for the present elders to modernize things a bit. Because if you know say make dem modernize things, what of the aba baku wey be say dem say if e be say the owner don old finish, don go meet im ancestor, say that the aba baku dem go bury in those days, dem go even bury the aba baku join aba baku, abi dem dey call the one of all those slaves wey be say dem dey serve the king. Say that na life sef, no be say na dem go let the person kpeme. We dey believe say dem say im go dey serve the king for great beyond. Imagine that kind of barbaric culture. Okay, now why dem stop am? Because nobody want to kpeme, you understand? So na so the whole thing just be. Now the koko of this whole matter now be say this person when he write this thing, they try to say Olori Naomi disrespect the king. Yes, by going to social media. By going to social media, say in those days, king wife, they no dey appear for function. They always a day for palace. Like, if una look this whole thing, the Oba of Benin, nobody dey hear anything about that man. You can never see Edo people, they bring their king, they come out. Now, as we dey talk about this king now, and some people go dey blame us. But the people wey dey bring this matter, they come, all those big Yoruba bloggers, they no get respect for their king again. Oba of Benin, nobody dey talk about Oba of Benin. Oba of Benin sef, e get the time we say dem say he married 2 sisters. 2 sisters, nobody talk about am. Then they live very one kind secluded life. But I don't know why this Yoruba own come dey turn another thing. Mostly the Ooni of Ife. Even the Alaafin of Oyo own dey okay. Alaafin of Oyo own, he marry plenty wife, and at least if not be now all this end time queen, then when he be say Alaafin of Oyo go carry, when be say they can't be like the one be say go disgrace, and when he be say later come they do public apology, say he won't come back because of say Sakpahola. Can't say all the people when he dey hold they say make them no worry, say if he don't go palace, he go send them the money. As per Alaafin of Oyo na ATM machine. Alaafin of Oyo no answer am. They say she's in the squad with him friend. Meanwhile, the one that they call Ola, that one is doing well. Una they see am so, whether this marrying of king for Yoruba land na a way of make you come out for poverty, or make you be say you don't turn celebrity overnight, I don't know. So that is what they are trying to say, that if the king reconcile with him queen finish, make them train her on how to behave. Say all this social media thing, as a queen, you are not supposed to be there for social media like that. You are not supposed to be heavy. But una know say this our prophetess in own different, because she don already dey preach the word of God before the king meet her. She don already be public person. Although she, as the king marry her, now she take a blow pass when we say everybody can't know her. If not so, she be the type where we say she dey do church program, and they put her for social media. People they see her. But they say the person when they go blame for this whole thing, that she blame the palace, which is the elders, the Ooni of Ife, where they no give them rules and regulation. It just be like Queen Elizabeth now, like all those waiting they happen for their own palace. Then get rules, then get anybody where they marry king no go behave like normal person again, because the way you go bring yourself to public, the way you go do things, say na very big time disgrace for Olori Naomi to go for social media go divorce im husband, whether where im husband dey for function, don even instruct people say make dem package car wey dem wan carry go give im wife, only for am. Say na very big time root shock to the Ooni. Say she no try well well. My people, wetin una think about this whole thing? How una feel about this whole thing? Leave your comment for comment section. This is Maureen Gist TV. In case you never subscribe to this channel, make you hit the subscribe button. I go dey bring una more gist as the whole thing dey unfold. Una have a nice day. Bye.